Hi there, I'm Jasmine, and I've got something exciting to share with you today. It's about taxes. Yeah, I know, not the most thrilling topic, but stick with me because this could change your life. Taxes. Everyone hates paying them, right? It's frustrating to see so much of your hard-earned money disappear, while celebrities and big shots seem to pay next to nothing. But here's the good news. Those same tax-saving strategies are available to you and me. We just need to know how to use them. The key? A legitimate business. Now don't worry, you don't need to quit your job or invest thousands. We've got a solution. A completely free turnkey online business ready for you to start today. It comes with high-demand products like online marketing courses and health and wellness programs. No inventory, no shipping, it's all set up for you. With your own business, you can deduct everyday expenses like your phone bill, internet, even part of your rent or mortgage. Imagine writing off part of your dream trip to Hawaii just by doing a little business there. It's not too good to be true. It's smart tax planning, and it's legal. Here's how easy it is to start. We give you a gift of appreciation card. It's a simple tool you can share in person or online. Just ask, would you like to pay less in taxes and earn extra income? Who says no to that? Our system even handles the follow-up for 90 days. Nurturing your leads so you don't have to. When they buy, you earn commissions, starting at 25%, and you can boost that to 75%. You're never alone either. As part of Dory O'Neill's MAPB2B community, you'll get free training and support to succeed. Take Ben, for example. He signed up, learned the tax tricks, and shared the opportunity at a summer festival. Within 48 hours, he had 10 signups and his first sale. He felt a rush of excitement and pride as he saw his business grow, right from his phone. You deserve to keep more of your money. Imagine the relief, the freedom of not overpaying in taxes. It's your turn to claim your free business and start your journey to a better financial future. Click the button below. It's quick, easy, and could be the best decision you make today. Don't let this pass you by. Take control of your financial future now. See you on the inside.